friends, it's T-Man. I'm back with a new video. Guess what? I'm back at, guess where? The Mandarin, bro. If you guessed right, yes, the Mandarin. You guessed correctly. Back again. So yesterday I saw these girls and they were talking about, I think it was hepatitis C. So I asked the girl and I said, hey man, so where does hepatitis originate from? Where does it come from? And she's like, oh, it's transferable from one person to the other person. I'm like, that's not the question I asked you. I say, where does it originate from? Where does it come from? And she's like, oh man, it starts in the liver or something like that. I go, what do you mean so how does it start from the liver? Like, how does it start like that? Then they got all upset. Then I recommended one of the girls watch the Pottinger study. Mandarin, bro. I recommended she watch the Pottinger study. She didn't even know what that was. I said, you'll learn a lot. The other one, she was very stubborn. She didn't want to learn anything. Here's the thing, man. If somebody plants the seed of doubt in your mind that, you know, the seed of belief, I believe that this is this or that. Now listen, I can only go off comparison. A lot of people go off comparisons. If you're comparing people here with longevity, they're deteriorating on the peasant slave food diet, you have nothing to compare. Because where are the people eating raw meat? There are none. I'm talking about coming from a child growing up. Like eating real natural animals, organs and everything and blood, all that kind of stuff. There are none, so you can't make comparisons. There's no how long somebody will live. I don't know how long somebody can live. I don't know. That's why I have to experiment. Now, some people experiment wrong, some people experiment properly. Who knows, bro? But I wouldn't count on Brian Johnson, that's for sure. Get in. So don't listen to the seed of doubt, man. There's nothing that you can't do in this world or accomplish. All right, I'm back. I'm coming inside, crossing the bridge. My favorite place, broski. All right, friends, I'm back at the Mandarin broski. They gave me my knife. They gave me my hot towel. Oh, it's in the plastic. I'm gonna have to wipe my hands. Hold on. Okay, so they gave me my ice and everything, my hot towel. I wipe my hands. My knife. I'm set to go, bro, because I'm busy. I have to go get food. I can't just stay here, wait for them to give it to me. As soon as I get here, I gotta roll on, bro. Time is money, money is time is everything, and time is whatever your life, okay? You don't want to waste your life, you don't want to waste your time. Yes, I'm cheating. I do this, and I do that. Oh, I don't know. Those are so tiny, man. Like, they're not gonna affect me. I don't do oranges, because oranges are not good for your teeth. The acid, it's just a waste. So the guy put the stuff on here. He dumped it on here. I went to go get that, but he dumped these. So yeah, I kept telling him, put it like this in a row. That's the way I like it. Yeah, man, like I said, what is it? The thing I was talking about before, yeah, so the hepatitis girl, right? So they were talking about, then these people were talking about HIV. Oh, they're like, HIV, you know, it's past